How you doing, everyone? I'm back with another one. Here we go. This one here is white pearl with a red, but the red has a white line holding all the trimming all the edges, so it's got really a crisp red line with the white edging, the white bordering on there. It's insane. It's really cool how it flows back and forth and around this bead. And it's a fairly simple design, just straight with rounded corners. And yeah, this can be used as usual for paracord bracelets, 550 ornaments, zipper pulls, stuff like that. And yeah, so go over to fiddlebone.com, check them out. When they're gone, they're gone. I do not take custom orders at this time. So like, share, subscribe, follow us over on Instagram, and have a great day.